Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the in-app reviews and ratings on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down, tap on the App Store. Once you are here, swipe down again, and here you are going to find something, the in-app ratings and reviews. So what it is, sometimes when you use some application, it is going to ask you, would you like to rate this app, something like that. So you can actually turn off this feature, like the apps are no longer going to ask you to write a review of their app. So if you disable this function, this is going to happen. You are not longer going to be asked for the reviews of this specific application. So yeah, now it is disabled, now it is enabled. So if you are just tired of it, make sure that you disable this feature so you are not longer going to be asked for those ratings and reviews. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.